Hey there, Addy here with buildingsforsaletoronto.com, here with a brand new listing we have coming up. This is an exclusive listing that we are bringing to market. It's located in St. Catharines. The beautiful thing about this property is that it's got 5 units in it. 4 of them are vacant. One is a plus. There's a commercial laundromat, and the business and the equipment is all included there. And you also have potential to add 1 more unit in the basement that is completely vacant right now. There is a lot of redevelopment going on in the area. You have a lot of the neighbors that are applying for permits to redevelop their properties, so there is potential in the future to redevelop the whole block. So let's get into the numbers. The property is being priced based on the income that the property or potential income that the property can generate today. So there is a lot of meat on the bone, so to say, for any investor that is looking to invest in here. So the property is located in St. Catharines. It's coming to market for $999,800. That gives you a price per door of $166,000. There's only 6 units over here, so this is 5 residential, 1 commercial. You can add 1 more unit, so $166,000 is already a really good price per door for a property. If you were to put 30% down payment on this one, your mortgage is $699,000, almost $700,000. From the conversations that I've had with lenders, you can get a mortgage of about 6% for this property, which means that your monthly mortgage is going to be $4,196, and that's with a 30-year amortization. As I said, $999,800 is the asking. Your down payment requirement so far is about $300,299, $940 plus closing. Let's look on the income side. So as I mentioned, there is 4 of the residential units are vacant, 1 is occupied. So based on that, you have your bachelors. So there's 3 bachelors. The average rent right now, based on a market rent of $1,150, is $968.33. Now this underwriting is taking into consideration that those units will be occupied. There's 2 1-bedrooms at $1,350. Both of them are vacant, and we're projecting that those units will be occupied at market rents. Now, $1,350 is a decent market rent, but you can actually do a lot better than this. So if you want to get more information, let's have a conversation. The commercial laundromat, we're putting a price of $1,500 over here. Right now, the business is generating about $2,500 for the owners. For the simplicity of not having to value the business separately at a higher cap rate and try to translate it, the owner, we are basically putting $1,500 as a commercial lease for that laundromat. You can set up another corporation which releases the laundromat space from the owner, which is again your own company, for tax purposes. So there's some creative financing that you can do over here. So based on so this is the income that is generating. So your total monthly income is working out to $7104.99, with the average rental per unit is around $15,300. Let's go on the expense side. So we have a management fee, which is at 3.5%, which is $33.70. You have general admin about $600, marketing for $300, repair and maintenance about $900. Water, because there's radiant heating over here. By the way, all the boilers are brand new over here. All the units have their own individual thermostats, so the temperature is controlled on a per unit basis. All of the tenants have their own hydrometer. So you have 5 hydrometer plus 6th one for the laundromat, and the gas is basically they're brand new boilers as well with the Techmar system. So it's very efficient and a great way of running your business here. Property taxes are $37.32. Your insurance is $25.74. So your grand total for the year is $19,276. So $84,245, which is your gross operating income minus your operating expenses. You got a net income of $64,882. $64,882 means a 6.49% cap rate at a 999,000 purchase price. You add the yearly cash flow, you're going to generate additional cash flow of about $14,000, and add the principal recapture of $85.94. You're looking at making $23,124 from year 1. So this property is cash flow positive from day 1. It's a great investment, definitely worthwhile to take a look at. On the closing side, you have land transfer tax, which is around $16,471. Lawyer fees around $2,500. Building inspection is around $2,500. And if you have to do an environmental phase 1, it's going to be around $3,000. All in all, closing costs around $24,471. Total cash needed is $324,411, or $325,000. If you want more information about this, or if you want to dive really deep into the numbers, reach out. Let's have a conversation. You can reach me at 877-439-2339, extension 700. Call me at 647-370-9470 or Addy at heyaddy.com. Take care, and we will chat with you soon.